Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the decimal separator in Excel. Let's get started. To change the decimal or thousand separator in Excel, first, click on File in the menu at the top of the screen, then go to Options. Here at the bottom on the left, you'll see a window where you can click on Advanced. Under Editing Options, look for the section Use System Separators. Here, you can specify the separators you want to use. We're going to change the decimal separator and use the comma instead of the period. Simply replace the period with a comma. For the thousand separator, we'll use the period in the same way. Now just confirm with OK, and that's it. The separators have been changed as needed. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.